Hello guys, the only reason I put on the vid is cause we found diamonds. I was just grinding. I was just went here and I just found diamonds, guys. So I just put on the vid to start taking these diamonds and make another episode. Yeah, you heard it right. Make another episode. And Ace is probably come in the middle of this episode. So you're all of them. You guys are gonna be happy because some people don't like me. Some people just hate me and like Ace a lot. So everybody happy, I guess. Ooh, I remember this place and I do need a lot of raw gold from it. Thank you. Thank you, bhaiya. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you, man. Vishal, thank you. Oh, that is a lot of lapis. Is that an emerald ore? Oh, that's emerald ore. That's emerald. Oh no, that I'm just gonna check out my dark oak planks cause we do have a oak forest nearby. That's a lot of emeralds. And this episode is gonna be about strip mining. Yup, you heard it right. Strip mining. The worst thing in the game. Let's just light this place. Oh, that doesn't light up the place. Sad life. How many bones do we have? Oh, what is the bed doing all the way down here? Nani? What is the... What? I just don't get it. I just don't get what's going on this server. If this doesn't light up things, but this shall. And if they remove this, and I'm gonna like kill the people who made 1.17 if they remove this. Oh, they didn't. I thought they removed that. Now flint and steel can't light a place that, and now I would be so angry and all that stuff. We are getting like emerald. Shouldn't emerald be the rarest ore in Minecraft? What? Why can't we just slash give some like coal or sticks or something? Wait a second. I think we can make torches over here. Shall we do that or shall we use the flint and steel? I think we shall use the flint and steel. Nope. Do you have any nether rack? No, I don't. You guys don't want to see my face now. I look so irritated. I look like extremely irritated. And when is he gonna come? I'm just gonna ask him. When you gonna come, boy? When you gonna come? When you gonna come, boy? I just sent them this message. Okay, and after 25 hours of strip mining, guys, we are back and we have found still nothing. There's nothing. It's leading to nothing. Do we have coal in our inventory? Oh, forget it. We're just slash giving torches now. Oh, just forget it. I mean, who cares? I just don't want to live in a world of darkness anymore. Ta-da, ta-da-ta-da. Let's go. Give me the torches. You know I need them. Instead of the shield. Man, we need to make another piece of iron armor. But that's alright. We do have a lot of iron. We are rich. Okay, Ace is gonna today complete his house. His house is gonna be like covering the whole mountain most probably. And Ace's faction's team is I don't know what is it gonna be. But mine is gonna be Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer fans. If you want to join, no, I'm just kidding. It's not gonna be Demon Slayer fans. It's gonna be the strongest of all Hashiras. Okay, the strongest Hashiras. That's gonna be my faction. If you wanna join that, tell in the comments, or when you join the server, please do tell. And this server is on Java edition. If you are wondering, guys, trying to join from Bedrock edition. If you guys are having any problem joining this server, please do tell me. I'm gonna fix it. I most probably will not know how to fix it, but my brother will, so I'm gonna ask him. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay. Okay, dokie. Now another session of boring strip mining. We are actually going home with a lot of emeralds over here. Let's see if we are going home with more emeralds or diamonds. As I said that we found diamonds. We are not giving any of these to Ace because we are enemies, obviously. But we can still be on chat and be friends, like on normal servers, duo servers. And you guys are gonna be wondering, I said that multiplayer survival will be coming very often. And why isn't it? Because the server got deleted. That's why it isn't coming very often. Oh yay, guys, Ace is here. Guys, Ace is back. Ace is back, guys. Ace is back. And we have already got 26 diamonds, guys. Ace, are you there? AC? ZAC? ZAC, you there? He's probably gonna flex on us and join the game.
Okay. I have a pretty unobvious idea. I have
Nice.
a little
What is it?
bad idea about my house. I'm not how the way I will build
Yeah,
it.
and
It
I
will just
think
be
I told Ace that we are gonna be
little
enemies on the public server.
awkward for me because I have never done a what?
Yeah, we are gonna be enemies on the public server.
I don't understand.
We are gonna both have different factions. We are not gonna be in the same faction. Let's go, guys. Ace/TommyInnit is here. No, he's not actually TommyInnit. His real name isn't Ace. It's gonna be after 20 years that we'll reveal his name.
Hey, no problem, no brainer. I'm Tommy. You can see my accent right now, by the way. Yeah. I'm gonna go.
That's not Tommy's accent.
Sometime, cause you know.
Huh? What did you say?
I know. Can I go in creative? Cause build my house.
Okay.
I'll take nothing. Okay, you can trust me on that.
Okay, and if you say after building your house, oh, I've got 26 netherite Zeo, then I'm gonna /clear your inventory.
I think you're. What the hell? Get this house out of my city, bro. What the hell is this thing doing here?
What?
What the hell is this? In my city. What is this house doing in my city?
What? Where are
Wait, man, come on. Grow up. I'm here right here.
This is my house.
This thing. This is in my city. My city is right here. My home. See my home. See, this is a home I built in 10 minutes.
Yeah, but this is a part of my city.
See this?
This home is a part of my city.
Bro, please can you just take it somewhere else?
No.
I had big plans for this thing.
No, you can make it at the other side of the mountain, please, because I took 1 hour to make this whole home. Please. Please.
Don't hit me.
Or I'll be very destructive and bring us on war.
Not here, bro.
Okay, we are on war.
Give me some. What the hell is this thing? What the hell are you doing?
I'm after you. I know you're gonna respawn in your orbit hole.
What the hell are you doing, bro?
You have chosen war against me.
I have never chosen that.
Yeah, I built that house and I took 2 hours and you are now taking it. Hello? Okay guys, so Ace is gone. I don't know why. I think cause he chose war against me.
I never chose it.
So why are you saying that is part of your... Well, guys, Ace is gone and I can't call him because I'm in between a stream. You know, I can't call him now because I'm in between the video. Actually, I'm just gonna call him. He's probably pranking us. I don't know what is Ace doing right now. Why is he in rage? I just don't get it. I just don't get it. He's in rage because house that I built is in my city. I'm just gonna say you started the war, Kyuki. That because he did. Guys, you can agree with me on this one. He is claiming this to be his house, whereas I built this on my video. If you guys remember the video, go check it out. I built this on myself, and now he's claiming it that he has built it, which he hasn't. Okay, so we both of us are on war now. I'm just gonna start off with a big start. Yep, cooked pork chop. 64. That's how we're gonna start off the war, and that's how he is gonna start off the war too. That's how both of us are gonna start off the war. And let's hurry up and go make some full diamond armor before the war starts. Okay, so we are gonna do that. We are gonna do that very quick. We need to hurry up now because he is gonna log in and we are on war, obviously. So I need to make these crafting. I need to up my crafting speed. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay. So let's just put some things in here. Not this, obviously. These are our treasures. Main treasures, boy. Okay. Diamond chest plate. Okay. And this and this. And a helmet. And we don't have enough diamonds for a axe. Okay, now let's go enchant it over here. Okay, and now I'm totally ready for the war now. Okay, now I am, after I saw what I got over there. Not decent enchants, but no, I'm not disenchanting any of this. Okay, and I guess that's it. We are on war now. Okay, guys, you can agree with me. He chose war. He's claiming that to be his house, whereas I built it on stream in front of you guys, and that is true. You can go see that video right now, and I'll change that title to a amazing house, so just so that you know that it's the video. I shouldn't take these risks right now. Yep, I'm ready for the war now. And he's gonna log on. It's gonna be war. He chose it. I mean, you can say that I chose it. I never want war against anyone. I hate it. I just hate it. Gaurav, somebody commented lol XD. Okay, who's it? Now, somebody commented it. Now lol XD. On which video was that again? He commented it 2 minutes ago. I think he did declare the war 2 minutes ago. I don't remember. That was so close. And I just need a water source. That's better. And now we are going to start. Hello? You there? You there? Ace, you there? Ace, you there? I don't think he's there. I really don't think he's there now. Mama, मेरे को please recording करने दो. Oh, yeah, Ace is on mute. I can pretty much see that Ace is on mute. Okay, and Ace has definitely declared war on us because he's calling that his property, which I took 1 hour to build. Hello, Ace, you there?
Yes.
Log on to the server.
Why?
You just declared that we are on war.
My launcher crashed. I'm deleting it.
Okay. And in fact, why did you declare that you wanted to be on war with me? You know I have been grinding a lot right now. You know that, right?
I never declared, you only started it.
Yeah, you know that you are claiming that to be your property by the fact that I built it.
My house was right there.
So I know that. I can make a replica of your house in 10 minutes. Do you want me to?
I will build it myself.
So then we wouldn't need to be on war. Yeah, and I told everybody that we are allowed to do this. Hello, Ace, you there?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm in full diamond armor, guys.
I want to download it.
Full enchanted diamond armor. Hello, Ace, you there?
Yes.
I think Ace has gone on deafen because he's, I don't know. Let's just chop some wood over here. Okay. Nice. We are gonna go home with a lot of wood to make another build. And Ace, do you want a gift?
What do I want?
It's 2 diamonds in the gift because I don't need the 2 diamonds. Do you want it?
I have already 10 in my inventory.
You have 10 diamonds.
Yeah, I had.
Don't lie
The
to me.
one you did the.
And in fact, don't lie to me. I've rewatched my videos a lot.
Okay.
And you didn't get any 10 diamonds in those videos.
I did.
Guys, comment
Which
if Ace
server are you talking about?
Ace got any diamonds in those videos. So
Which server are you talking about?
I'm talking about public server.
I don't have one diamond in that. I'm having SMP.
How are you in SMP? I have not turned on that server. Okay. So Ace, I'm gonna leave the 2 diamonds over there. What is this guy has gone crazy?
Nothing, you just keep playing it. I'm just watching Reddit.
Yep, this guy is definitely gone crazy, and I'm gonna leave some more gift over there. What should I keep
You
it?
are banned from the server reason banned by an operator. अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. You are banned from the server reason. अच्छा तुम. Oh, you have banned me, by the way. Nice.
I didn't ban you. Why?
Noise. It's showing here.
Show me.
Public server. You have banned my.
You sure about that? Oh no. Oh no, Ace has unoped me.
Are you kidding me?
Yep, I'm not off.
Seriously? The one who banned. Go in the Eternos, na. You
Yeah.
banned me and you're saying.
I'm just gonna go in the Eternos once, and let's see if he's telling the truth or lying. Oh, you banned yourself, idiot! Trying to fool
I
me?
only just left.
It is showing
Please.
Tommy in it, banned Tommy in it.
I am seeing Sasagio right now. I kicked myself. Did I ban? Seriously.
Okay, Tommy is back. You wanna get ready? Cause you are against me. And I've left you some items in the chest.
Okay. You are enchanted? Alright.
Yep, I've got full level 13 chance.
Why have you just put 1-1? Can you just.
Yeah, I didn't know why I
Select
did
all
just
the things.
I just did that. Cause I don't
I
have enough
had
lapis.
this thing in my
So I
dream.
didn't put 2.
I wanted this to be my city. I had this. I had planned for this for such a long time. Am I the op right now?
Yep. But you can't cheat. This is not a server of cheating. Ace, you will get
I'm
banned
not
if you.
cheating, bro.
Yep, you are
I'm
cheating.
going the other side of the mountain.
No, actually,
I'm
you
here
can
on
keep the
other side
home.
of the mountain. Here I am. Alright. No, this ain't.
Ace, you there?
Let me find the mountain.
I'm abandoning my city. You can keep the home. You can keep the home.
Okay, this looks nice.
in survival, and all of us are gonna. We made a big mistake in doing things in creative. Now I'm just gonna take a shulker box and take all my goodies from the city. I mean 3 shulker boxes, obviously we will definitely need that much. Maybe M14, yeah, maybe definitely.
This obsidian one. Char.
Okay, we definitely need a lot of shulkers. Okay, we are almost 1 shulker full. Yeah, pace is definitely whispering.
And here, pretty nice. This good. What is this?
Ace, I'm shifting from the city by
Where are you going?
somewhere
What is this?
where nobody knows.
Can someone please tell me what the hell is this thing?
What? What happened?
Did you beast mind this thing? What the hell is this?
What is it?
It's so hard to grab. And what the hell is this too? What is this? Is this the word from Came Only?
Huh?
That definitely looks sure. It's scary. Is this the word from Came Only?
No?
JK.
Bro,
Something
you
really stupid happened.
kind of creeped me out there. I was like, wait, what?
Because I saw your progress in Came Only and this currently matches that of the progress.
Oh, now I get what you're talking about.
Okay, what the hell is this thing now? There's a crafting table. Okay, there's the UVs.
Don't take my shulkers. Don't take my shulkers. Don't take my
Nothing
shulkers.
I'm taking all of them. I am seeing what is it. Riptide, protection, power, impaling.
This is all my stuff. Get out here.
Where is my home?
And now Ace and I both are not gonna be ops. Yes, you heard it right. None of.
We are quite actually.
No, we are not gonna be.
Because you build your city and I need to build mine. What the hell is this thing? What the hell is this? Wait a second. अरे भाई, creative bruh. Let me please make my home at least.
No, I am also abandoning this home, and I am also making a new one, so you can do the same too. That's not a big
Okay,
deal.
okay, I shall keep this.
I'm just taking my goodies right now from here.
Okay. I just need some spur slots. Means 1,000 of them at least.
I can give you spruce saplings if you want them.
I have 17 of them. I don't actually need them. I need some very big /times a day, please.
We need to sleep. We can't do that. I'm not even up now. We both are not up.
We can be actually.
No, we are not allowed now. I made a big mistake making us both up.
Yeah. Why the hell is
None
that
of us
so?
on the server are gonna be op. Never, ever, ever again. We are not gonna be open
You
loyals
can tell
to.
me why the hell is that for? Can you just give me a iron axe?
Yeah,
What
sure.
the hell is that?
I can give you one.
Give me one iron axe.
No, sorry, I don't have an iron
Like
axe, but I do have a lot of iron.
Okay, give me every iron you have. Every half of it.
Wait a minute, I am gonna give it. I think I
Yeah, I
put
can
some.
stay in this place actually.
I've left some goodies for you inside too.
Okay, I'm staying in the city. I need to complete my house. Just can I complete my house in creative at least? I'm nothing putting in it. It's only wood. It's just I
No.
don't have spurs wood.
I can give you
Yeah.
some.
I need very much saplings only. Okay. Where is the iron?
I can't find my iron. Oh, I found it. Here you go. Did you get some?
And
There you go. I saw some.
didn't actually. How much is it?
I can give you a new iron axe and enchanted too if you want to.
Give me that, and please give me some spurs, wood,
Yeah, sure.
and sapling. And if we can't be operators, just do one thing. Come here. Get here. Come
What?
here and see. Fill this with dirt. Fill this till the bottom of it with dirt, and remove this obsidian walls.
No, that's not gonna happen.
At least fill that thing with the dirt.
No, I can't do that. I'm not op.
You can become once for a second. That's nothing too big. What the? I don't have a time left, so I just need some spurs, wood. Can you give me some?
Yep, sure. Come here. There you go.
Too much. I need too much. I need too much of it.
You can take some from my homes too. My old homes, to be precise. Guys, I am gonna find a good place to build my home now. And Ace is gonna do his thing.
Can you give me some creative time, please? Only for wood. I don't have a wood left. With me.
I can give you some wood after chopping some down cause I have efficiency 4 on my axe.
Okay, my time to go in 10 minutes, guys. Let me reveal my house.
I already revealed your house.
No problem.
Okay, guys. So now we
Can you give me
have
some time
at
to-
least we've got some good things now.
Can you give me some time of creative? I just need to build my house here.
I can give you some wood, but no
Just-
creative.
Creative, bro. I just build my this house. Just
What do you
house.
want in that house? Just tell me. I can give you anything.
Spars wood and glass. About spars wood about 20, I guess. Yeah, 20. Yeah. 20 stacks.
Okay, so 20 spruce wood.
Yeah. But not 20 spruce wood, 20 stacks of spruce wood. Okay, there goes one connecting by.
I can give you 2 stacks of spruce logs.
Give me that actually. I will convert them into some wood and start building this.
Okay, I'm chopping some down right now. Okay, how much have I got? Nice. Gaurav, I forgot to tell you. I think I killed your horse.
What?
I mean, I didn't kill him, but a skeleton shot me when I was sitting on it, and I was on half a heart, and now it's lost.
Okay.
Okay, so you can find it. I can tell you where I lost him.
I cannot find it actually.
Huh?
I need him.
Or I can give you another horse, my horse.
That's fine. That sounds good to me, at least.
Okay, I'm getting you some spruce wood. This world generation is insane, guys. I'm gonna build my base over here. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna build my base anywhere near here. I'm gonna be so far away. And the fact that you can't use /TP commands, no one is ever gonna find our faction, guys. So no one can even challenge us. We are gonna be hidden in the depths.
I just messed up the house.
world generation is insane. Not gonna lie, this world generation looks so good. Ace, I'm bringing your spruce wood. Wait a minute. I just chopped down the whole jungle.
With efficiency, you say.
Yep.
Alright. That works for me as an apology.
Done. I have 2.5 stacks of wood. I mean 2.5 stacks of logs.
Give me that. Give it to me.
Okay. I'll need to kill myself and come back to you. And there is no way to die over here without breaking my armor. That is.
Just take off your armor.
Yeah, I think I will lose my armor if I do that. Because now I put the creep inventory falls too, right? Ace, come to my coordinates. This world generation looks so dope.
I can't.
This world generation is so dope, man. I just lost the world generation.
Wow.
Okay, guys, and now I can't get to Ace because I'm now at the spawn.
That's why I want yours to be ops. Anyways.
Oh, it's alright.
Can you make us the ops?
No, that's not allowed. I just told you, Ace.
Why the hell is that not allowed?
Okay, Ace, we can do one thing.
Some dirt.
I can make I can make myself a op just to TP on you. How's that?
Can you give me some time in creative?
No.
I have only 4 minutes left actually. But
so you can build your house the next time. That's not a problem.
can you give me some time in creative? That's what I'm asking right now.
No. I just said no. Oh, your house looks nice. Shall I help you?
No, I don't need actually, but can you give me some time in creative? That would help me.
Okay, no, but I can give you a lot of wood.
Give me. Translate it and then give me actually. Not right away.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just throwing the wood at you now.
Noise, thanks. That would help me a lot in building this idiot house. Thanks.
How do you have so much inventory
Your
space,
sacrifice.
man?
I can give you one thing as a appreciation, but afterwards. Because my time to go in 10 minutes.
Oh, sad life.
And anyone who studied HTML is a hell. If anyone has
Hell
some,
yeah.
This thing, okay.
And you asked for some glass too, right? I think
Yeah,
you did
I did
ask
ask
for some glass.
I
Yes,
just need
I'm
to
just gonna
dispose
give
this
you,
exhaust.
just cause you have only so much time left, that's why I'm gonna do this. Guys, I'm just doing this for Ace.
Wait a second, I don't have inventory space left, bruh.
Okay, keep your bit of your things inside, then I'm gonna do it. Tell me when you have kept the things inside.
Okay, 1 second. Maybe we'll just stop in a minute. One thing dead. 1 second hit dead. Third dead. Fourth dead. Fifth dead. You
Nani?
can now give me.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my, I need more wood than this. Means my glass is okay. This was glass. Wow. Can you give me some dirt though? In place of this glass, I will throw them. I need very much dirt.
Dirt?
And
Yeah, I
glass.
have a lot of that.
Dirt and wood. More wood. This won't be enough to
Are you crazy?
make a house. That looks good. JK.
Can I sleep in your
Can you
house
skill?
today?
Yeah, you can definitely do that.
Or I don't have a bed, or
Yeah.
shall I protect you from spiders or things? And you keep building.
What the hell? I don't have inventory space left to eat my food as well.
Okay, I'm gonna keeping to protect you from these mobs over here. Oh, there are no mobs. I'm gonna go. There are no
I
mobs.
need one. What the hell should I do with this now?
I heard a spider. I think. Where was that from? Where that
Don't
is?
pick up my dad for a second. And oh, you picked up my dad actually.
Come here.
Need to
I'm
jump off
gonna.
here from.
Ace, you will need to give this back. Promise
Is the
me you
keep
will.
inventory on? Yeah.
Yes, it is. Ace, you will need to promise me that you are gonna give this back.
Okay.
I'm gonna give
I
you
don't
my
have
shovel,
inventory space, so tell me.
mine some dirt, and give it back to me.
Okay. Okay, that helped a lot. I just don't need that. What
And
the
I'll
hell
help you
is happening?
too. I'll make a shovel and I'll help you too.
Oh my god. I can get some luck now. Off this thing goes.
And guys, I said that we are gonna be enemies. I was lying. But just we're not gonna be so
Sorry.
friendly on this server. Cause this is a faction server, so no one is friends on this faction server. I'm being too friendly right now. I know that, but still, this is the only day. This
What
is
the
the
hell
final
is
day for that.
We can take some torches with /give. At least that shall be a motto. They are just dumb torches. One of the commonest thing in the game. You can give us that.
What does communist mean?
If nothing. Very common. They are very common now.
Okay.
No?
Shall I protect you from zombies or not? Cause I see one in your flat.
You may.
Okay.
Go
I'm
ahead.
beating them.
Go ahead. No one ever stopped you. This much glass is okay, but can I exchange some glass in term for wood? Getting some wood.
Sure, why not?
Afterwards, not now.
Spruce, right?
Because I am busy. Yeah. Not RN. Don't give me. I don't have any inventory space left. I need to dispose some glass first. Okay, this looks nice.
Okay, bye. You don't
Okay,
need my
guys.
help right now. Bye. This is the final time we're gonna be meeting each other.
Not the final actually.
Yeah, we're only gonna meet each other on wars again if we do. I'm gonna leave you some gifts. Oh no, the zombie got my shulker box. Did he? Please don't tell me the zombie got my shulker box. Because that was my main one. Oh, Ace, I'm gonna give you a gift. You look pretty not good right now, so take this.
Thanks. Can you keep this in my chest? Rather, I don't have inventory space left.
Oh, that's alright.
After many days, I am enjoying Minecraft, guys. My tests are still there. They are still alive. They are not dead.
Yeah, mine tests are dead.
Not mine are not dead. My HTML is still there. He wants me still dead. He always
HTML
asks
I
me,
think
shall I
will be
kill
the
you this
worst.
time?
HTML I most probably will be the worst in the test. If you are kids, you will know how hard are tests for the kids. My stomach pains all the time after doing tests.
Okay, a lot of dirt. glass here, dirt here. रखना एक दिन का कॉम्प्लीमेंट चलता है. Alright, everything seems to be fine in the inventory space. Let's build some
Bye.
stairs. Bye.
Guys, now let's find a good place where we would want to build a base. And not
Okay, I
just
will
keep
help you
MLG all
find
the
you
time. Man, I need to upload these recordings fast, or these things will suck my computer's space.
I am exchanging some glass in terms of food. You give me that afterwards, not iron. Oh, the
Okay.
hell is hitting me? Are you bloody zombie? How dare you hit me? Like, do you know how costly I am in this server?
Nani?
Die. Costly.
Oh.
I mean costly, not.
Guys, today we are gonna.
I'm friendly guy.
If we are unable to find a base this day, so we will find a base the next day. Okay? In the next episode, we are gonna find our base then.
So guys,
If you are
end
unable
of
to find.
episode 1 for the ace guy. Yeah, I have one
Oh.
stair left to complete that.
I'm gonna pick up some flowers because I'll need some for my town decoration.
I would need some more stairs, you know. These stairs are good. Not God means good. These are just fine.
Ace, I have left my homes to you, okay? Take good care of them.
I will take this much care as you will do of free if he comes to your house.
Oh, okay.
To stay.
Bro, Free is my favorite anime character ever.
No. That cannot be replaced by even if he watch some new anime every second. He cannot
Yeah.
be replaced.
My Free's power for me, he's like 50 million. Then Tanjiro like 1 million. That's what it is.
Yeah.
I'm
Free
a
is
Free
just
fan.
better,
I like to be
in my
free.
opinion.
No, I'm just kidding. That was a joke. Don't take that seriously. Don't take that seriously at all.
Bad jokes are made by this YouTube channel. We made mistakes. You made mistakes.
We all
English,
make
you English,
mistakes.
everybody English.
But I kind of like Shu
A
too.
lot of them.
And this guy, the other guy ZS, he hates Shu like as much as, like, what shall I say, Rize.
No, that's not true actually. I started liking him now. Like a lot.
Bruh, Shu is OP. The sparking dialogues,
And
beating Lane up.
Everyone is here. Okay guys, so today everyone, @everyone. And let's tell the story of the cookies server
No
someday
need.
to our
No
fans.
need. No need.
Because
No
we
need
will
at
only
all.
get hatred from that. Yeah, sorry guys, but you know what we are talking about. I need some dirt.
Yeah, if somebody
I
from
will
Cookie
mine
server
them.
watching this video, oh my god, what is this? Is the obese. This is the obese. We are dead.
They will kill our YouTube channel. They will be like, what the hell is wrong with you guys? They will be too mean to us. They were okay. Let me tell you a little bit of the part. We joined his server. Everyone was mean to us, so we left it in a short story.
Yeah, and
the hell is
I
a
got too
Cookie
angry, so I went mad, and I'm sorry for doing that. @all from Cookie server.
That. Oh yeah. A creeper helped me a lot, man. Thank you, creeper, mister.
Oh wow!
53 dirt.
Now creepers are
I
helping
can feel this
Ace.
big thing right here.
Yeah, they kinda help me too sometimes.
I will help you if you will. Nothing. I just put
No
something
thanks,
out.
no need.
I will help you, but after finishing this thing.
No,
But
I
this
don't
thing is
think.
so good. This will look. This very own place will look too good in my opinion. one of the weirdest build, to be really honest, but it will look nice when completed.
Guys, and if we are unable to find a spot today, I was saying we're gonna find a spot for our home in the next video, and that all.
The thing, if he now finds a spot, I can help him find a spot either. I will locate some things here too. Near this bloody place where I stay. Yeah, I call this thing bloody because it is bloody.
Oh, Ace!
It's not.
Oh no! I forgot to
What?
take my shovel.
Yeah. I just remembered that I have something in Udhar.
Oh, I'm coming to take my shovel. 1 minute. Sorry, I forgot to take my shovel.
Can you can I get you? Can you give that back in some time? Cause I still use it. It's not still use it. What do I say? I need some work to do with this thing. Not
I
some,
can
actually, a lot.
use my iron shovel, alright? Please, I actually need that.
Okay. Okay. Go trade. Take that. I don't actually mind cause that thing helped me a lot.
Yeah,
Never mind. We are
thanks,
friends.
I needed
The
it
best
like
of luck.
crazy. Cause now I'm gonna only do this once only. Please guys, only once.
What?
I feel
What are you
bad.
gonna do?
Let me just think.
What are you gonna do?
Slash locate biome cause I went like 1000 blocks away and now I needed to come back to pick my shovel. Okay?
I allow you to do this.
Okay.
I'm the admin of the server. What the hell is this thing? I've never seen such a bad thing in the history of Minecraft.
No, actually, I
Last-
think he's allowed that.
Today we declare the god. I was busy thinking about.
Guys, you guys already know what I'm thinking right now. My weird thinking. Man, that did a lot of damage. That fall damage was so much.
Okay, I would need very much for exchange of glass. If I exchange one stack of glass, give me 128 wood.
Alright, you can do that.
Cause
But you can't
Okay.
go in creative.
in sanitary. Okay, I will never go into it.
But you can't go in creative.
I will take it afterwards because I am disconnecting right now. I need to study HTML. God damn it.
Damn it.
The Viber would be like, let's make some memes on this channel as well. What do you guys think of Sasageo?
Oh no.
That is the best meme ever possible created in the human history. And no kidding, guys, it actually is. Not kinda actually. Okay, this would be look like this, and if I go from here, building that place as my
Ace.
pet home.
I just found a
and
desert
after
temple
that,
and I got.
building that side.
Mm.
Okay, can I try that? Okay, I'm disconnecting, guys.
Huh?
As you can see, I've never taken any stuff in creative.
Ace, you can't believe I
Yeah,
found a desert temple and I got so much loot
Yeah.
from it.
What was the loot?
It was like 2 golden apples protection for book.
Can you give me something?
1
I
diamond
don't have anything.
projectile protection 2 book.
Exams
Saddle.
are going on, and I will. And sadly, guys, I will play a lot less than you expect from me, a guy named Ace, because I have a lot of exams right now.
Yeah, after exams he's
So,
gonna
Zero
play
is
pretty much.
thinking-
I guess yeah, he's gonna play pretty much after the exams.
What?
You are gonna play a lot after the
What?
exams, right?
I'm gonna play. You cannot say a lot or something like that, but yeah.
Yeah, but like
I don't know
more
actually.
normal than abnormal. That's all we can say.
Yeah, that's all it is. I need
And
to
yeah,
save up this layer
we
of
can
the dirt.
do this only one time. I'm telling you. Only one time. For only
What?
once.
What? Can you tell me that thing? So I can do that too. One time. This let's help me shaved off. Password.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it for
sometimes
both of
speak-
us. Yep.
Okay, one torch to what? Hey? One torch?
Yep.
Are you kidding me right now?
Yep.
Only one. Don't you remember some? 1,000? JK, JK.
You JKing? You JKing?
Oh no, no. I
You
really JK'd.
JK?
Okay,
You
I will
sure?
take torch and coal. Okay, I will trade this stuff. Okay, I can, means. Now see, guys, we have some slash give things right here with us. We can trade them for something better if we want, obviously. This thing will work like that.
And I found a good place where I'm gonna build my home. And I
See,
forgot
guys,
to
my
bring
house
wood
already.
again.
When ZA starts building, he definitely creates some masterpiece,
You sure
which
about
is
that?
what most of you believe. Yeah. What the hell? My, you have potatoes, right?
Yes, why?
This is fine. This is just asking. Okay, I need to light this place up.
Same over here.
Light up.
Wait, what?
Very bad singer as you. Me, a very bad singer.
I was like, wait, what? Light up when you start said like light up.
Sorry, Baba. Don't spam some gali wali in the section. Don't spam it.
Abuses
please.
in the section.
Don't abuse it. Actually, yeah.
Don't abuse at all.
I can send you guys a video of that if you want, of not abusing. I need too much wood. It only took like this. Can you reset the respawn point for a second there and come see what I have done? What the?
Wait a minute, I'm gonna do that after some time. I'm making my home currently, okay? So and we are both deobbed now, you know that, right? And you can't come at my home and just take out the coordinates of it.
I will just came to your home for a visit, like a guest.
No.
Okay, here is the. What the hell? Do you want some torches from me? I can trade you for some iron.
No.
I can give you like 1 crore torches.
No, thank you.
Just asking. Because there are
But
a
I
lot
can
of
give
them
you
lying
some
here.
iron if you don't visit my home.
Okay, no, I don't. I will visit your home sometimes as a guest.
But no taking coordinates of it. Promise that.
Yeah, I'm a good guy, you know. After all, I'm a good guy. I never do something illegal.
Yeah, I know that. And I know what you mean by that. Okay, guys, so we are like ultra focus mode right now. Building our home. Yes, do you want 20 stacks of cobblestone?
20 stacks of. I will need that afterwards. You can hear
Just
me
come
right
to
now.
my home and see what I am planning to build. You're gonna be like, oh, I do need 20 stacks of cobblestone.
Okay, then my time to guys disconnect right now. Hope you you will set a respawn point there, RN, and see what my house look like.
Okay, I'm just gonna do
On
that.
day 2 of building for 15 minutes.
First, let's sleep here.
Oh, you're sleeping? Yeah. My neck pains.
Okay, and I've set my respawn point over here. Okay,
See,
I'm gonna TP on
it
you.
doesn't look too good. It doesn't look too good. See this?
Oh, it looks good. Not gonna lie. Nice.
It is a weird. So what I'm planning to do is build Like place some blocks here and build up and make a room for my pets. And same goes for here. Build some here and build something up there. The place for like farm or villagers. You know guys what I mean.
Okay, AC, you come see my
Yes.
base once.
A spider leg. Okay, I'm coming. I'm really excited for his base actually.
I'm building it currently.
What the hell is this thing?
I thought I would build it in a
Where are you
desert
building
temple.
this?
I would build it inside a desert temple.
But it. Oh, okay. Now I understand. What the hell? What the hell is this? I don't need too much of torch. I can give you very much of them if you like.
No, I don't need.
I gave you 2 stacks of torch. Trade them, wood and coal. Give me wood for that. 2 stacks of torch, 2 stacks of wood.
Oh no, thank you.
I'm right here at my home. So guys, day 1 accomplished finally. This house looks pretty neat, but I need to Zio, one thing I need to do, slash cloning is around. Once you can do it, I cannot do it.
What?
One time only in the server, slash clone. Cause this house right here, we have built it in front of my city, so-called city, not a city actually. Sorry.
It's kind of a
I
mountain
need
city.
to this yeah, mountain city. So I need to rise up the ground level to something up so it can be a useful as a guest house. Then with grass blocks in survival only, then you can slash clone this house and paste it up
Which house?
on the ground level. This one.
Oh my, the one which I built.
In front of my house, that one, yeah. I will raise the ground level up because it is underground technically and you cannot enter it without breaking your leg.
What?
So yeah, my character Alex will be like Jesus, you little bastard, you always break my leg.
Don't say that.
I
Don't say that.
always have some sprain on it every time, then I cannot walk properly. Sorry for the lame jokes. Comment down if lame jokes are very bad.
Yeah, they are pretty bad.
Okay.
Not gonna lie, this episode was very
They're
fun.
very bad. Okay, so the duo is back, guys. The Minecraft duo is back. We will be bringing some very noise content.
Nice.
Content and everything
Yeah.
bull. Everything will be go super duper noise. So guys,
We're gonna do
I will
the
explain
best.
what I need to do.
And
This
now
it
Ace
will be
needs
like
to
a
go, I
spider
think.
arms. Yeah, sadly, guys. So let me go. Guys.
And I need to pick up all this cobblestone
Sayonara.
before it despawns. Sayonara, Ace.
Ara, sayonara. Shinobu's just got into me. Sayonara.
Sayonara. What? Okay, guys. So Ace is gone. This. Please do comment. What do you think about this base? I have been mining for like 1,000 years, and now my hands are paining by mining this much. I'm gonna do the same lame joke as Ace did. Yeah, and I'm definitely not gonna do Ara Sayonara. That kind of it will very definitely feel weird saying that. Oh, this is taking a long time. And yes, guys, there will be a new member coming up on the server, and that is gonna be, if you remember that guy. Yes, the guy who came in the last episode. That guy. He's gonna have his new faction, his other faction. He's not gonna be in our factions, any of our faction. Oh no, I forgot to break the nether portal. Guys, I'm gonna give myself 14 obsidian because I forgot to get the nether portal now. And I need that. I just need a nether portal. we are building like crazy fast right now. Please do tell if you want to be in Ace's faction or my faction. I know Ace is gonna outnumber me pretty much because I've built almost all the build in his faction city. This is taking a long time, guys. This is taking a very long time. Oh man, this is taking a long time. At least I'm able to say now. Or else I normally need to be quiet and do it. By which I get pretty bored, not gonna lie. Very bored. Very bored. Yeah, let's just start doing this. You know what I'm talking about. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. Aha! Let's collect all the cobblestone because we're gonna need that. We're gonna need stone. We're gonna need a lot of stone. And let's just take granite too if we need something like polished granite or something. I think there is polished granite in the game, if I'm right. Righty, now we have got a lot of polished granite. Cobblestone collection. We will have a lot of cobblestone when this episode ends. Diorite. Yeah, that will kinda be good for decoration. Not gonna lie, that is gonna be amazing for decoration. Oh, that's all the diorite. Oh, that's it. Oh man, this is taking a long time. This took a long time. Not gonna lie, this took a pretty long time. That is a lot of cobble. That is a lot of cobble, guys. That is a lot. Oh man. Boy, let's go. Let's go, boy. Let's collect all the cobble from the edges first. Then we'll collect from the other place. Okay, what do you think about a base till now? Please do comment. And if you want to know the coordinates of this faction, if you want to come join this, you need to comment me and I will then send you a private comment of the coordinates, okay? Okay. And you need to be sure when you join a faction. You can't, change your faction teams, okay? Ace will, you need to comment on Ace's channel, which he doesn't have, if you want to join his faction. I mean, you need to tell Ace, and I'll tell you his coordinates if you wanna join his faction. That is, we are gonna put all the things from the mining session over here. Man, we have got a lot of things. Oh man, that's a lot of raw copper. Not gonna lie. I thought raw copper was like the one of the rarest things now. Oh yeah, I forgot I had the video on, my bad. I really forgot about that. Sorry guys. Okay, and I think we do have a lot of things in one shulker box. I don't remember which one was that. Let's place shulker box all around. And this. No, not this one. I guess no, we are not making. Spruce planks are for decoration. There it is. Though they came up. Yep, I do need a crafting table which is in there. And before anything, let's make this area spawn proof. So just we don't get stormed by mobs. And let's eat some food so our health just doesn't go down. Okay, nice. This is going good. Not gonna lie, this is going amazing. This video is gonna be pretty long if you ask me. That is a lot of wood. I think the ladder's crafting recipe was this. No. Ladder. Oh, is this? R6 ladder. No, 6 ladders are definitely not enough to get up there. And then we need to make some sticks. What was the crafting recipe of ladders again? Because I really don't remember the crafting recipe of ladders. Not gonna lie, I don't remember it at all. At all. Oh, it's night time. Oh no, don't come here. Don't come here. Don't come near my desert temple. Just look at its beauty. And just so no more spawn over here too. Yep. Now the desert temple is looking better. We need to surround it with torches too. Just for security. We are just gonna stand here and beat this creeper. Wow, we are getting good at this game. No, we are not. I thought something hit me. Was there something? Oh, that was something. Was it? This thing is irritating me. Nani? I thought we lit this up. Oh my, don't tell me. Oh my god, this is gonna be a perfect home, guys. This feels so much like home over here. We just need to, yep, do this all the way at the places. This home is gonna be the one of the best home I've ever built. And we're gonna put temporary blocks over here, just so no mobs enter. Which one was the ladder one? Yep, this was. Okie dokie. Guys, I think till now our base is looking amazing. I need some saplings. I did have some saplings with me, right? Please don't tell me I forgot. Oh, thank God. I thought I forgot the spruce saplings at my home. And I at least have one dirt. 64 dirt. That's a lot. So guys, I guess this is it for the episode. We are gonna start recording another episode right now. Okay, bye.